Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Hardhat to MetaMask. First, ensure you have Node.js installed, then set up a new Hardhat project. You'll need to configure your Hardhat network file to include a local development network. This setup allows MetaMask to interact directly with your local blockchain, making development and testing much smoother. We'll walk through each step to get you connected quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your terminal and initialize a new Hardhat project. Next, you'll edit the Hardhat config.js file. Here, define a new network typically named localhost and specify its URL, usually http://127.0.0.1.8545. Crucially, you'll need to import a development account from Hardhat into MetaMask using its private key. This step links your local Hardhat environment directly to your MetaMask wallet. Once your Hardhat network is running and MetaMask is connected, you can compile and deploy your smart contracts. Use the npx hardhat run scripts/deploy JS network localhost command. MetaMask will then prompt you to confirm transactions for deployment and any subsequent interactions. You can easily verify successful deployment and contract calls by reviewing the transaction history within your MetaMask wallet. This confirms your setup is working correctly. If you encounter issues, first confirm your Hardhat node is actively running in a separate terminal window. Double-check your network configuration in Hardhat. Config.js for correct URLs and chain ID. Always use a dedicated development account in MetaMask for testing, never your main wallet. This practice enhances security and prevents accidental loss of funds. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.